Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Perpetual here. If you're new, you're warmly welcome, and thank you all so much for joining me today as I make a quick and easy steak and peppers stir fry, perfect for a weeknight dinner. Come along and let's get started. I'm gonna start by cutting my steak into bite-sized pieces, and I'm going to make a quick marinade to go with it, and I'll be marinating it for at least half an hour to an hour, but the longer, the more flavorful it becomes. After cutting it up, I'll give it a quick rinse, and then I'll get started on marinating it. And for my peppers, I'm using green and red today because that's what I had on hand, but feel free to use any combination that you have. When the veggies are chopped and rinsed, I'll get started on my steak. I'm just putting it in extremely hot vegetable oil to allow it to sear for a few minutes on both sides. Once that's done, I'm gonna set it aside and get started on the rest of the stir fry. For extra flavor and a lot of aromatics, I'm starting my stir fry with some ginger and garlic grated into my oil. You can finely chop it as well. At this point, you want to make sure that your oil is not too hot so that you don't burn your ginger and garlic mix. And after your peppers and onions go in, you want to just give it a few seconds, just toss it for a few seconds. You don't want to overcook it because you still want your veggies to have a bit of bite. Next up, I have a slurry of cornstarch and water. The saucier you want your stir fry to be, the more water you'll use, but this is just to thicken up your stir fry and give you a bit of sauce. And I'm adding some soy sauce and a little bit of honey to sweeten up our stir fry a bit. And just after a few seconds, I'm going in with my steak and I'll give that a quick stir. And for that last burst of flavor, I'm grating in some fresh ginger. If you've been watching my videos, you know I love a little bit of spice in everything. So I just went in with a bit of habanero peppers and some crushed chili flakes to add that kick to my stir fry. And that is it. I'm just going to adjust my seasoning, and if I need a little bit of salt, which in this case I did, I just went ahead and added a little bit more. And that is it, guys. Our stir fry is ready to be served. And guys, our stir fry is looking amazing and it is ready to be served. I'm just going to be serving it with a bit of jasmine rice on the side, and that's it. I am ready to dig in. If you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, remember to do so and turn on your notification bell so that you will know when I upload more amazing videos. And thank you all so much for coming along with me on this absolutely delicious journey. Take care, guys.